Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Guru of English channel, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Sarah.
Hello, Sarah. It's great to be here with all of our amazing listeners. How are you today?
I'm fantastic, Javed. I'm so excited about our topic today. It's a big one.
Oh, yes. It's something many learners ask about. So what is our big topic?
Today, we are going to talk about how to speak like a native.
Wow, that is a great topic. It's not about being perfect, right? It's about being clear and natural.
Exactly. It's about sounding more relaxed and confident when you speak. And we have some fun tips to share.
I'm ready. But before we start, we want to say thank you for listening. If you like our channel, please give this episode a thumbs up.
Yes, and don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. It helps us a lot. Okay, Javed, let's begin.
Let's do it. So what is our first point for sounding more like a native speaker?
Our first topic is connected speech.
Ooh, that sounds serious.
It does sound serious, but it's actually very simple and very natural. Can you explain it, Javed?
Of course. Connected speech is when we link words together. We don't say every word one by one. For example, we don't say an apple slowly.
Ah, I see. The words flow together. So how does an apple sound with connected speech?
It sounds like an apple. The two words connect and become smooth.
That makes sense. It sounds faster and more natural. Do you have another example?
Sure. How about good afternoon? We don't say it slowly. The D from good links to afternoon.
So it sounds more like good afternoon.
Exactly. It makes the conversation flow.
That's a great tip. So listen to how words connect. Cool. What's next?
Next up, we have reductions and contractions.
Reductions? Does that mean we make words smaller?
That's a perfect way to say it. We make some words shorter to speak faster. For example, going to.
Oh, I know this one. Many people say gonna, like I'm gonna go to the store.
You got it. Gonna is a reduction of going to, very common in spoken English.
And want to becomes wanna, like I wanna learn English.
Yes, you're on a roll, Sarah. It's all about making speech easier and faster.
What about contractions? Are they different?
They're similar, but contractions combine two words with an apostrophe, like I am becomes I'm, you are becomes your, he is becomes he's.
Good job. And we also have negative contractions, like do not becomes don't, is not becomes isn't.
Using contractions like I'm and don't will make you sound more natural right away.
It really will. Ready for our third tip?
I am ready. What is it?
It is stress and emphasis.
Ah, not all words are equal. Some words have more importance.
Right. For example, I love this podcast. If I stress I, the meaning changes.
If you stress love, it means you really love it.
Perfect. And if I stress this, it means this specific podcast.
Wow, the same sentence but different meanings.
Exactly. Stress gives sentences life.
What's next?
Next is regional accents.
This is a big one because English is spoken everywhere.
Yes, and even in one country, there are many accents. But the point is, there is no one correct accent.
The goal is to be clear, not perfect.
Exactly. Your accent is part of who you are.
Well said. What's next?
Modern slang.
Slang changes fast.
It does. For example, cool or awesome.
People also say lit for something exciting, but it's very informal.
Right. Listen first, use later, and use carefully.
What's next?
Set phrases.
Like blocks?
Exactly. Learn the whole phrase as one piece. How are you? See you later. Have a nice day.
This makes speaking easy and natural.
Exactly. A great shortcut.
What's next?
Power words.
Do they give superpowers?
Kind of. Instead of good, say delicious, amazing.
Instead of bad, say terrible or awful.
Power words make your speaking stronger.
What's next?
Speed and pauses.
Some learners speak too fast.
Right. Native speakers change speed and use pauses.
Pauses build excitement and help thinking.
Exactly. Don't rush.
What's next?
Formal versus informal English.
Informal is for friends, like, hey, what's up?
Formal is polite. Good morning. How are you today?
Know your situation.
Exactly. Context matters.
And the last tip?
Natural reactions.
You mean, oh, really? Wow, I see. Uh-huh.
Yes, these show you're listening and interested.
If you say nothing, the conversation feels strange.
Right. Small reactions keep conversations alive.
That's a wonderful final tip.
It connects all the other points.
Wow, Sarah, these 10 tips were fantastic.
We hope it was helpful. You don't need to be perfect. Try 1 or 2 new things.
Maybe use more contractions this week.
Or use a power word like delicious instead of good.
Every step helps.
We hope you enjoyed this episode.
Tell us which tip you will practice first.
And don't forget to subscribe to the Guru of English channel.
Thank you all for listening. Keep practicing.
Bye for now. Keep learning and have fun.